Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about how list items are going to be printed by help of loops. Okay, loops here stands for loop, while loop. These are the loops. So there is a different loops which we will cover in C, C++, Java, but here we generally for loop, while loops we are using. But in this video, I am only tells about for loop in simple way, but upcoming videos you will see how list items can be displayed or can be print on console by help of different looping ways or looping formats. So first of all, I will show you very simple way. Okay, so first we have to give in a list list 1, and inside the list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then for x in list colon, for x in list colon 1, sorry, not 1 colon, then print x. Okay, so when you are going to run it, it will print 1 2 3 4, and if you want to print it horizontally, then it will be added at the end of the print equal to at double quote, end equal to double quote. End is the keyword or constant you have taken as a, and it will assign to the value as a double quote, and which will help us to print in a horizontal form of the items present inside the list. Okay, so first of all you have to take in the list that is a 1 2 3 4 5, then go for the list 2, and this list 2 is generally float items. Okay, float items, that is 1.2 comma 1.3 comma 1.4. Okay, and when you are going the same way, x in list 2 colon print, that is x, and here I will print it here, not go for the horizontal, I go for the vertical, and here also I will print y because it creates a new line. Okay, that's why you understand 1 2 3 4 5. Then this print helps us to create a break line, and next line will be starts from the printing the items of list 2, that is 1.2 1.3 1.4. Okay, similarly I will go for the print string, that is inside list 3. Okay, list 3, then here apple, mango, orange. Okay, and here if you are go for the print, first print it, then for loop for x in list, that is 3 colon print x. Okay, so here you have to print it horizontally, and equal to double quote. Okay, first print it horizontally, first it creates a new line, then after that it will print the x and equal to single double quote, which will be horizontally print the all the string items inside the list. Fine. So in this way we can print the list items by help of the for loop, but in upcoming videos you also different ways how could these prints are going to be work and also display on the console. Thank you.